Hi Cubeless team, how are you doing? Happy Sunday, because I'm filming this on a Sunday afternoon. So I just want to share my hot food experience with you guys. So I made yogurt, and this one is yogurt's making gone wrong. So I made yogurt, and guys, let me show you what it turned out after 12 hours fermentation period. Let me show you. So I have two bowls here, and this is 500 grams of milk. So you see, after leaving my yogurt, this is what came out. This is the whey. This is the curd. See this one. This is the whey. This is the curd. Guys, I'm heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. Do you know how much that is in here now? Do you know? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? How can this, this is the way, this is the code. How can this whole thing go bad? How can, see, I really feel like crying, seriously, because guys, you don't know. This was supposed to go to somebody for, yeah, it was supposed to go out for something, and I don't even know what to say. So it's really heartbreaking, and I must tell you, I'm very heartbroken. When I saw it, I'm like, for how long that I've been making yogurts, my yogurt hasn't gone bad. So what happened to this one? I figured out one thing: the culture. This must have come from the culture, because though it is rainy season now, and if you're making yogurts without mention making yogurts, you have to be very careful of the weather so that the temperature doesn't affect the fermenting of your yogurts. So although on that very day it rained from morning till night, temperature was really cold, but at the same time, if it wasn't from the culture, this would have at least fermented a little. But it didn't even ferment at all. This just totally went bad, you know. So I think it's from the culture, and the culture I use for this one is called Yogomate, and I haven't used it before, but I'm not saying that it's not a good culture. The thing that I figured out was that the quantity that I used, I think I used an inappropriate quantity of the culture for this, and so it couldn't ferment this. I really feel bad, but what can I do? This is what is all of those downs in production, you know, some of the uncertainties that one needs to be expecting in business or in production, or in fact in anything actually that you do. So this is the first time counting loss and experiencing this kind of a thing. So I think I've learned from it as well. I may not, that's me, I may never ever, that was the first time I'm trying that product, even though I know it was because of the quantity issue. I think the quantity I used wasn't enough, but in my thinking, you should have tried a little bit to ferment it a little, even though it wasn't enough. But then I may not ever try that same product again. I may not, except when I know I have excess raw materials and I just want to experiment something. Then I can buy it again and try the appropriate amount of it and see how it comes out. But aside that, I don't think, when I'm serious, I'm making this thing, because this was supposed to go for a program. So when I'm serious and I'm making this thing for sales, I cannot risk using what or a raw material or an ingredient that I'm not sure of, especially the active one, because culture is an active ingredient in yogurt making. So this is how I just wanted to share with you all how my yogurt production turned bad, and to tell you that this is the first time that I'm experiencing this. And I don't know, has any of you made yogurt before? What are the challenges that you had or you encountered at your early stage of yogurt making, and even as you've gone far into it? Because yogurt making is a very sensitive thing. So no matter how skilled you think you are in it, you still keep learning every day, you keep improving, you keep being careful, you know, because it's very vulnerable to contamination. So you have to be very careful and keep improving. So guys, this is me sharing with you what happened to me, and I want to hear from you guys. If you have made yogurt before and you had some challenges, or you've experienced this kind of a thing before in your yogurt production, please share it on the comment section. Let's discuss how you overcame it and what did you think was the cause of yours. Like I have said in this one, that I believe strongly that it was the culture that I used. So guys, that's it. I hope you've subscribed to my channel. On this channel, we teach you how to cook delicious meals without seasoning cubes. Yeah, because your seasoning cubes contain MSG, monosodium glutamate, and that is not good for your health. You can Google it up. So we teach you how to, you know, harness the natural spices and herbs that God has given us for healthy living, and then use them to turn your food into mouth-watering dishes. So until I see you in my next video, please stay safe and subscribe, like, comment, and help me share this video. Help me cause people to know my channel. Help me get your loved ones, your family members to subscribe to this channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe and bye-bye. So we pour it away. Painful, wasting this.